This video is about how I have created the About Us page. It's a very simple page. So let's see how I have done it. And this is how it will look on the browser. So initially it will be on the home page. And then when I click on About Us button inside the nav bar, it will take me to the About Us page, which says why choose us. And then there's a heading, an unordered list, and an image to the right. Now let's see the code. So this is the About Us page. So the reason why it goes to the About Us page when I click on the About Us button is because of the smooth scroll JS file that I have linked with the HTML file at the end over here. And I've also created this ID About Us inside the section tag, and this ID, this ID will give the path of this page to the navigation bar. So in the navigation bar for About Us button, I have provided this path with the help of the About Us, with the help of this ID. So that is how it knows where to scroll or where to go when I click on About Us button. So in the first line I've written the section tag, then there's the div tag inside which I've written class container, then there's a heading, and the classes inside the heading tag are title and text center. Then there's another class row, and then inside row another div with the class row. Now in this division we'll have another two divs with class column. So the unordered list will be included in the first 6 columns, and the image will be included in the next 6 columns. So for first 6 columns I have written col md6, and then I've written the class About Us, then there's a paragraph, then an unordered list. Paragraph is basically the heading. So for the paragraph tag I have used this class which is about title, and then there's an ordered list, and for each list item there's a paragraph which will describe the list item or give more information about the list item. Then I close that div and I open another div tag, and this is for the next 6 columns, which includes an image. And for the image I have written the class image float. Now let's see how I have styled this section or this About Us page. So in the About Us section, for the entire About Us section I have used the ID About Us, and then I have written these properties, just background, padding bottom, and padding top. So for the entire About Us page there will be some padding, margin, and background. So the background is white, padding bottom is 50 pixels, and padding top is 50 pixels. Then I have styled the About Title class, which is over here, which is for the paragraph, which is for the title, which says why choose us. For that I have given a particular font size, font weight, and margin top. So initially when I am on home page and I click on About Us button, it will take me to the why choose us or the About Us page. So there will be some margin left at the top. So that is because of the margin top. Then I have styled the list items. So this is how I have given the path: About Us, unordered list, and the list item. So for that I have used properties padding, margin top, and font weight. And for the entire unordered list I have given margin left as 20 pixels. That is why there's some margin left at the left. And lastly, I have styled the image, and I've used image float class inside the image tag over here. And this is how I have styled it. Width is 400 pixels for that image, height is 300 pixels, and margin top is 40 pixels. And this is how the final outcome is, and this is how the About Us page looks like. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.